Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do Boxycharm unboxing. I am super excited. Now this is for the month of July. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you spend $25 plus tax for the base box, which is what I got, or you can choose a premium box, which is for $35 a month. Now in the base box you will get 5 to 6 full-size products with a guaranteed value total of $125 or more. For the premium box, I believe you get a total value of about $175 or more a month. Now you do get to choose one item about a month prior to receiving your box. Sadly, I forgot to choose my July product, so this box is a complete surprise to me. Sometimes we need a little mystery in our life. Now if you are interested in doing your own subscription, you will be able to find my referral link down in the description box below. Now before we get into this video, as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below so you know when I upload a video. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that big thumbs up and comment and share. And if you want to see what I got in my July Boxycharm box, keep on watching. So how do you guys like my lip? I am loving this lip. I actually got this in my first Boxycharm box. It is the K&B Charming Duo Set. Now this is going to be my third box. And last month I included my unboxing type of part in my June haul video, which I will link up above and it will be in the description box down below as well. But this month I decided to do it separate because I figured I would do the Boxycharm its own video, and on Monday I'll have my July haul. I am not gonna lie, I took a sneak peek last night. In the box it comes like this, and I got a beautiful card, and every month there's a theme, and this month it is sunshine. And on the back of each card it gives you a little description of each of the products that are in your box along with the retail value of it. Now the first thing that caught my mind actually was Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. I don't think you guys understand how excited I was when I saw this. I have been looking for something like this since I've been doing tutorials on here, because I don't want to go out and spend all kinds of money on getting brushes that I've already have. And let's just face it, no one has time to clean their brushes every single night. So I was trying to find something that I could use to clean off my brushes on a daily basis, and then at the end of the week I would clean my brushes. My last trip at Ulta, I decided to try the EcoTools makeup cleansing cloths, and that's what I've been using. So I was interested in seeing what this looked like. So I did open this. This is the only product I opened, and this is what it looks like. So now what it says is, with this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. So basically what you're supposed to do is do my makeup, and then, oh, I want to change color. So then you take your brush and you're supposed to just swirl it around, I guess, and then it's supposed to remove the color. I haven't tried this yet, but I am so interested in checking this out. I think I'm actually What I'm going to do tomorrow when I do my makeup, I will tape me cleaning my brushes, and I will actually give you guys an update over on my Instagram on how well this worked. So if you are not following me over on Instagram, my username is @Jens_beautyworld. I also have it linked in the description box below. Next that caught my eye was this. The Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks. And it comes with 12 pairs. So it says, suffering from dark circles, puppy eyes, bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Who's doing that? Who is suffering? Yeah, I am. It's like they made this product for me. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. So, let's check this out. I don't tend to use masks a lot. To be honest, it's more of lack of time, not desire. Alright, so it says, put on cleansed and makeup-free skin. Carefully place eye mask under eye area. Let mask work its brightening, depuffing, and hydrating magic for 15 to 20 minutes. So, I'm actually interested in trying this out. For those of you who watched my summer skincare routine and my summer skincare faves, probably noticed I use a lot of Avon skincare products. I mean, let's just face it. I mean, Avon skincare products are pretty amazing. My all-time hero skincare product is the new brightening eye cream that just came out with a couple months ago. And it has completely eliminated my dark under eye circles. But I still am dealing with the puffiness, and I still get these wrinkles. So, interested in trying this out. The next product that caught my attention was the Studio Makeup eyeshadow. It looks like it's going to be like a topper. It caught my attention because Studio Makeup, I actually, in my first Boxycharm box, I got their Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I've been using it. And I really like their eyeshadow palette. So, let's see what this looks like. It's like a very light pink. I think this would be very, very pretty on a dark eyeshadow color underneath. So I'm going to have to try this out, and I'll let you know. What it says is, it is, get bold shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. I do have to say, it is very lightweight. It's already dried, and it's not budging. And sorry, my camera's battery just ran out, so I had to switch it up. If the view looks a little off, that is why. Now the next thing that caught my attention was the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. When I first saw this, I'm like, you know, Avon has a pollution protection collection called A New Neutralize, and I really wasn't too interested in that. The only thing I use out of the collection is their pore strips, and that's because I have humongous pores. So what it says is, it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Now, there has been a lot of new product, like a lot of skincare products are starting to come out with like this blue light protection. I'm not too sure if that is something trending or if it's actually something, like, I'm going to have to do some research, and if we actually do get skin damage from being in front of monitors and TV so much. Because if that is true, then I'm definitely going to need to try something out like this. I mean, with having my online business and now having my YouTube channel, I'm constantly on the phone and on my computer and all digital. So this isn't pollution like air pollution that you get in the air. This is more for, as it says, the harmful aggressors of the digital age. So I am definitely going to try this out, especially with it being $135. And this is definitely not something I would have picked up on my own. So thank you, Boxycharm. Next, last but not least, is the Ace Beauté. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Bronzed in Paradise. Now, this is the Bronzed in Paradise Bronzer Palette. Is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be laid on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. These shades seem kind of dark for me, so I think I will end up gifting this on because these shades are pretty dark for me. I mean, the only one I can see myself probably wearing is this one, and maybe contouring with this. I am a very pale girl. Even in the summertime, I don't really tan much. So I think a lucky family member will be having a bronzer coming their way. I have to say, this is very beautiful packaging. Like, I love the detail around the mirror. Very, like, summer resort type of atmosphere. And these shades are very beautiful. It's just that I think they're going to be too dark for me, and I don't want to put my fingers all over it and end up giving it to someone. It's just not sanitary. Plus, I already have enough bronzers to last me for right now, so this will be going on to a family member or friend. But I do have to say, this does look very pretty. So that is it. So those of you who have been trying to keep track of what my total is this right here is $228. This is probably the most value I've gotten so far. As I said, this is my 3rd box, and I am very impressed. Now, if you are interested in doing your own subscription, you will be able to find my referral link down in the description box below. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and before you click out, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. And if you did like it, make sure to hit that big thumbs up. Until next time, as always, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye!